ठीक है. नाउ okay. So let's check this one. Fraction, this is done. Okay, I open fractions, money, and measurement, right? This is what he has sent, right? Now यहाँ पे I can't see the part shaded, so I cannot make, right? Anybody has a book? Because this is I can't see here. I am saying how many parts should be shaded to make the part dash part shaded. I don't know what is given. Here I can see a top and bottom also, which I can see. ठीक है, so I have to check. जब ध्यान आएगा तो देखेंगे, right? In a bag, there are 12 oranges, 15 apples, and 5 bananas, and 16 watermelon. What fraction of fruit are oranges, right? So how many are total? Can you tell me how many total fruits are there? Hello?
1/4. And you can all see.
How many?
Sir, 1/4.
No, beta. One is a count, right? What says? What fraction of this thing is banana? What they are asking?
What fraction of fruit are orange?
Correct.
Sir, 48.
ना ना टोटल कितना हो गया?
48.
वेरी गुड. 20, 30, 48. करेक्ट है?
Yes.
राइट. नाउ व्हाट पार्ट ऑफ ऑरेंज? ऑरेंज कितना उसमें से?
इसमें से orange 12.
तो ऑरेंज का फ्रैक्शन क्या होगा? 12 आउट ऑफ?
12 upon 48.
तो उसको रिड्यूस करोगे तो क्या होगा?
What?
इफ यू रिड्यूस दैट,
Yes.
लोएस्ट टर्म में रिड्यूस करोगे तो क्या होगा? 12 को.
6.
ओके, 1 मिनट. हाँ, जिस मेरे पेन. हाँ यार, ग्रेट.
48 को कभी हाफ किया था 24.
करेक्ट. तो यहाँ पे धीरे धीरे करके करो, राइट?
6
12
का 3.
डिवाइड बाय 48 किया, राइट? तो इसको हाफ किया तो क्या आएगा? 6. और इसका 24. 6 के टेबल में 24 आता है क्या?
हाँ.
तो 6 को डिवाइड करो 1/4. करेक्ट है?
Yes.
धीरन आ गया क्या?
नहीं सर.
ओ यार, ठीक है. ओके. Ganishka, keep your video on, beta. I can't see you. Ganishka, video and mic both are off now. Ganishka? Ganishka? Next वाला. Okay. What portion even give figures as shaded? Very good. So this is very easy. What part of the figure? How many total triangles are there? Equal shape you have to make, right? What you have to make?
Full shape.
Equal shapes, right? So tell me, what part is shaded? Total how many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Acha, this was given like this, huh? I'll tell you this. This was given like this. ये जो वाला है ये इसमें नहीं है, राइट? I'll just mark this. दिस इज नॉट देयर, राइट? ये जो ओरिजिनल था, ओरिजिनल में इट इज लाइक दिस, राइट? ओरिजिनल फिगर इज लाइक दिस, राइट? करेक्ट. So what you have? You have all triangles, right? Only one square, right now? Yes. So what you need to do? You also need to divide this as a triangle, correct? Because in fraction, all the part has to be equal. Yes or no?
Yes.
Correct. So now you got equal parts. Now you count how many are there. One,
1, 2, 3, 4,
one,
4.
two, three, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. तो total part कितना हो गया? 10. What portion of the fraction is unshaded? Unshaded कितना हो गया? Shaded कितना हो गया? How many are shaded?
Sir, 7.
How many are shaded? I'm asking.
3.
So 3 out of 10 are shaded. So how many are unshaded? 7, right? Yeah, they're done. Okay. In the word TER, the giver's station, right? Tergi, giver's station. अब जो भी word है ये, right? Now what they ask you? How many are total? Count करो. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. कितना है?
14.
14 है. तो ये तो हो ही नहीं सकता. करेक्ट है?
हाँ.
ओके. व्हाट फ्रैक्शन लेटर इज रिप्रेजेंट वॉवेल? वॉवेल कितना है? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. करेक्ट है?
Yes.
ओके. सो 6 अपॉन 14, राइट? Suppose the answer was given as not this one. Okay, they may have given 4 upon 7, 3 upon 7. Okay, 1 upon 2. तो आंसर क्या आएगा उसमें से? दिस वाज आंसर गिवन, राइट?
Yeah.
तो क्या आंसर आएगा? चेक करो.
6 upon 14. Sir. 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 Sir.
Ama sözler dinleyemedim çıkarttı. Şey answer say, you want to say.
या टेल मी बेटा,
Sir, 6 upon 4.
आंसर क्या आएगा?
तुम्हारे प्रकाश
व्हाट कुड बी द आंसर? हम्म. हम्म.
8. 6 upon 14.
6 upon 14 आ गया, राइट?
Yes.
बट 6 upon 14 नॉट एन ऑप्शन. तुम्हारे पास ऑप्शन क्या दिया उसने?
रुक जाओ.
1 upon 2, 2 upon 7, 3 upon 7 and 4 upon 7, राइट?
हाँ.
ये ऑप्शन नहीं है. देन व्हाट इज द आंसर? व्हाट आंसर इज कमिंग एज 6 upon 14, right?
Yes.
Can you reduce it to lowest term?
Yes.
How will you do? Divide by
Divided by 2.
2, right? So
3
3,
and 14, 7. 3 upon 7.
correct?
Yes.
So what is the answer?
3 upon 7.
Correct. So if you find this, okay, then you need to understand how you need to find the lowest term also, correct?
Yes.
Hello, next.
Okay, kiss cut into 12 equal pieces.
12 equal parts है ये.
Sorry, 11 equal pieces. Devans 8. Devans 8. 3 pieces. And Nakoma
Remaining cake. What
8.
fraction
A remaining cake. What fraction
By Noma.
was eaten by Namo?
हाँ
8/11.
the cake equal parts, the Devesh ate 3 pieces and Noika ate the remaining piece. What cake? Ah, very good. Simple है, right? 8 से enter किया, very good. Messi practices football for 9 hours a day. What
Yes.
fraction of the does Messi practice the football? Very good. बताओ क्या आएगा? How will you do it?
Messi practice football for 9 hours a day.
हाँ,
What fraction
of the day.
day does Messi practice? 24 minus 9.
What fraction of day they can practice? Can you say 9 divided by 1?
Sir, wait a minute, just wait a minute. 5. Sir, 15.
क्या
15
15?
upon 24.
हम्म
15 upon 24.
अरे कितना प्रैक्टिस करता है वो?
9 hours.
What fraction of a day does Messi practice the football? तो 15 कहाँ से आया? 24 कहाँ से आया?
सर क्योंकि 9 minus 24 is equals to
पर
15.
24 क्यों कर रहा है? 24 क्या है?
24 पूरे दिन में 24 hours होते हैं.
हाँ?
पूरे दिन में 24 hours होते हैं.
एक मिनट भैया, एक मिनट.
सर
हाँ बोल.
डीम्यूट कर दिया. फिर 20 पूरे पूरे दिन में 24 hours होता है.
करेक्ट. तो 24 होता है, 24 नीचे आएगा, राइट?
हाँ
एंड हाउ मच इट प्रैक्टिसेस? 9 hours, राइट?
हाँ.
एक मिनट, हाँ? एक मिनट, एक मिनट, चल
तो
रहा.
24
एक मिनट, एक मिनट, एक मिनट,
minus
एक मिनट.
रुको. तो WhatsApp में तो है. करते सब.
ये उत्तर अपन 8 देंगे त्याचं उत्तर 59.
चार.
ये डिवाइड करने का ना 9 अपॉन 24 डिवाइड कर सही भागा कर त्याने मला जायचं मी बस म्हणते
हेलो.
काय तर मग पटापट
मेसी कितना प्रैक्टिस करता है बेटा?
3/8.
So it will be what? When you reduce it, divide by 3, right?
Yes.
So 3/8, correct? Understood?
Yes, sir.
बेटा तो 15 तो बैलेंस है, राइट? तो वैसे हाउ मेनी आवर्स ही डोंट प्रैक्टिस, देन इट विल बी 15/24 आएगा. समझ में आया? ध्रुवित, बेटा रीड द क्वेश्चन प्रॉपरली व्हाट दे वांट टू डू, राइट?
Yes, sir.
चलो, ओके, नेक्स्ट. अजिंकी एट्स 4/15 ऑफ द पिज्जा. क्या है?
4/15 then
सेल
I
ईट
need
8/15 ऑफ द सेम पिज्जा.
to eat of the same pizza.
Runal ate the remaining part of the pizza. How much pizza did Ronak ate? Right? तो यहाँ पे कितना पीस है टोटल? टोटल पीसेस कितना है?
15.
करेक्ट. टोटल पीसेस आर 15.
3/15.
वेरी गुड. 3/15 समझ में आ गया?
Yes, sir.
इसको रिड्यूस करो लोएस्ट टर्म में. 3/15 को लोएस्ट करो. हाउ मच पिज्जा डिड ही ईट? तो 3/15 बराबर है. इफ आई वांट टू रिड्यूस इट टू लोएस्ट
Sir,
टर्म,
1 and 3.
1/5,
3.
not 3. You have to divide by 3 both the things, right?
Yes.
1/5. Correct है ना?
Yes.
Have you finished my
Yes.
assignment? After this, I'm going to check the assignments कि तुमने assignment कितना complete किया, right? चलो, solve this 7/18 plus this is equal to this. ये क्या लिख रहा है? हाँ, okay, add करना है, subtract करना है, right? So what I'm doing, this is addition. 7/18 plus 12/18. So I'm writing it again. 7/18 plus 12/18 minus 6/18. Correct? So how much will remain? When you add, subtract, the denominator will remain the same, right?
Yes.
So it is 7 plus 12 minus 6, which will be what?
13.
13. शाबाश, कौन बोला?
ध्रुवित हिंगोले.
वेरी गुड ध्रुवी, तू बहुत फास्ट बन गया आजकल यार, बहुत खतरनाक काम कर रहा है तू, वेरी नाइस, आई एम वेरी हैप्पी, बहुत अच्छे से तू आंसर करता है एवरी टाइम।
सर लेकिन 7 है क्योंकि फिर उससे सिर्फ एक ही माइनस होगा तो फिर क्या रहेगा 13
सही
प्लस
जवाब,
रहेगा।
वेरी गुड, ट्रिक भी लगा रहा है, शाबाश। व्हाट फ्रैक्शन ऑफ द गिवन फिगर इज शेडेड? पक्ष, पक्ष,
यस सर।
आर यू देयर?
यस।
बेटा तो फिर कौन करेगा बेटा बात? यू आर वाई नॉट आंसरिंग? हाँ, ओनली गनिष्का एंड ध्रुवित इज आंसरिंग।
2/6.
Very good.
Sir,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right?
And 2/6.
And you have to reduce to lowest term.
Covering fraction. 2/4.
अच्छा, 2/4 कैसे हो जाएगा बेटा?
1/4.
Lowest term.
Sir, sir, can I tell?
Yeah, tell.
1/4.
अरे,
Sir, 4/6.
अरे, 2/6 को आंसर इज करेक्ट मेरी जान.
Oh.
Your answer is correct. I am saying 2/6 to reduce to the lowest term. What you want to put?
1/3.
Correct. So 1/3 na. I am saying give me the lowest term and you are giving different answers.
Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry, sir.
In the word discovery, what fraction is vowel? Again, 1, 2, 3. That's it, right? On the total how much is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. That is 3/9. So 3/9 is not an option, right?
Yes. Yeah.
So check the equivalent fraction, lowest term.
Sir, 1/3.
Very good. Correct है?
Yes.
Very good. Chalo. By how much is 19/20 is greater than 2/20? Very good. Now I'll reframe the question, right? Just listen here. I'll just reframe the question here, right? I remove this fraction, right?
Sir, can I tell the answer?
Answer name. I want a method. Answer तो आ ही जाएगा बेटा. I am writing here how much 15 is greater than 6. So what do you do?
11.
How much is 15 greater than 6? So what do you write? And how will you solve?
Sir, can I? No.
Yeah, tell me.
Properly, come here. Please.
How much 15 is greater than 6? What is the answer for this?
17/20.
अरे बेटा इसका आंसर बताओ, ये नहीं चाहिए मेरे को. राइट नाउ आई डोंट वांट दिस. I have changed the question.
Sir, 9.
Right? So what do you do? How do you get 9?
6 plus. And 6 minus 15.
15 minus 6, correct?
Yes.
So whatever is here, minus, if you do this, you will get the answer. Correct, na?
Yes.
Very good. So what you have here? 19, 20 minus
220.
very good.
17/20.
Right. Now if I write here, now again I'm changing the question. Listen very carefully. Right? Again I'm changing the question.
Sir, how many times you will change the question?
एक मिनट. How much 1 is greater than 5 upon 12?
Oh, 4. Sir, 4.
Hmm?
Sir, 5 is greater than 1 by 4.
नहीं. How much is 1 greater than 5 upon 12?
सर वो ग्रेटर होता ही नहीं है.
है क्यों नहीं है? 1 is a whole number, right?
Yes.
So 1 is greater, right? 1 is greater, right? It's the whole number, right? It's a fraction. Fraction is a part of whole, right?
Yes.
This is the whole itself, right?
Yes.
So how
Sir,
much is 1
5.
greater? Huh?
5.
असं
Acha, let me know. Okay. 7 upon 7 is how much?
5.
7 upon 7 is how much?
1 whole.
Very good. 1 whole. 12 upon 12.
नंतर
1 whole. 1 whole.
9 upon 9.
1 whole.
1085 divided by 1085.
1 whole. 1 whole.
Right. So now, can I write 1 as 15 upon 15?
1 whole.
Arey, can I write 1 as 15 upon 15? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Can I write 1 as equal to 18 upon 18?
Yes. Yes.
Can I write 1 as a 1022, 28 divided by 1028? लिख सकता हूँ?
Yes.
Yes. So now what you say? 1 minus 5 upon 12 you need to do, right?
Yeah.
This is a fraction. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
If I want to add or subtract, I want here also 12, right? I
Yes.
want here 12, right? Minus 5 upon 12. Then only I can do it, right?
Yes.
Now 1,
Yes.
I can write 12 upon 12.
Yes.
So it is 12 minus 5 is equal to 7 upon 12. Correct है?
I don't understand.
कौन?
Didan.
हाँ, धीरन आगे गुड मॉर्निंग बोला मेरे को आगे?
नहीं.
फिर तो तेरे को क्यों सिखाऊं मैं फिर?
Good
आ गया तो बोलना चाहिए सर मैं आ गया, राइट? बोलना चाहिए नहीं बोलना चाहिए?
morning.
हाँ, ठीक है. What I need to do is listen here very carefully. 1 minus 5 upon 12 करना, right? धीरन, listen. You tell me what is 9 upon 10 minus 6 upon 10. क्या आएगा? धीरन आंसर बता.
What?
What is the answer for this? Are you paying attention here or no? What is 9 upon 10 minus 6 upon 10?
2 upon 10.
2 upon
10.
2 कहाँ से आया बेटा?
3. 3.
Correct? Now if you do 11 upon 15 minus 4 upon 15, क्या आएगा बेटा?
Sir, can you tell 7 upon 15.
Very good. 7 upon 15, right? So it is very easy to subtract the like fraction. इसका denominator same है, right?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
So now what I explain here, Dhiran, अभी ध्यान रख वापस. Okay, pay attention here. What will be 7 upon 7?
1.
Very good. What is 9 upon 9?
18.
9 upon 9, 18.
9. 1.
1085 upon 1085.
1.
12 upon 12.
1.
15 upon 15.
1.
Now can I write 1 as, ऐसा उल्टा लिख सकता हूँ? 1 is equal to 7 upon 7 लिख सकता हूँ?
Yes.
Very good. Can I write 1 as a 9 upon 9?
Yes.
Can I write 1 as a 1085 upon 1085?
Yes.
Very good. So if I want to find this answer, what I need to do? I need to find 12 minus 5 upon 12. Easily मैं कर सकता हूँ इसको.
Yes.
अब यहाँ पे 1 है तो न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर दोनों सेम चाहिए, राइट?
हाँ.
दिस विल बी इक्वल टू 1, राइट? तो 1 को मैंने 12 upon 12 लिखा. और ये तो 5.12 था ही, तो अभी मेरे आंसर मिल गया 7/12। करेक्ट है?
Yes.
वेरी गुड। अंडरस्टूड एवरीवन?
Yes. Yes.
वेरी गुड। चलो नेक्स्ट। व्हाट फ्रैक्शन ऑफ रूपी इज 35 पैसा? वेरी नाइस। 35 डिवाइड बाई 1 रुपी कितना होता है? 1 रुपी इज इक्वल टू हाउ मेनी पैसा?
100.
100। नाउ कैन यू रिड्यूस इट टू लोएस्ट टर्म? डिवाइड बाय व्हाट? 35 एंड 100 दोनों किससे डिवाइड होगा? डिवाइड बाय
5.
5। यहाँ पे क्या? 7 डिवाइड बाय 20। करेक्ट? आंसर क्या आया?
7 divided by 20.
What fraction from the following will be added to this to make the result a whole number? Very nice.
4/21.
हाँ, कैसे क्या? एक्सप्लेन। कैसे किया बेटा? जीरान?
11 plus 6. So 1 carry forward.
नहीं, कैरी फॉरवर्ड क्यों करना है तेरे को? तेरा फ्रैक्शन क्या है? 11/21 प्लस 6/21 प्लस समथिंग डिवाइड बाय समथिंग इज इक्वल टू 1 होना चाहिए, राइट?
Yes.
तो 1 आई कैन ऑल्सो राइट एज 21/21। यस और नो?
Yes.
अभी जस्ट मैंने करा है, राइट? तो यहाँ पे क्या आ गया? यहाँ पे क्या होगा? 17/21 प्लस समथिंग अपॉन 21 इज इक्वल टू 21/21, राइट?
Yes.
तो व्हाट आई शुड ऐड टू 7 टू गेट 21?
217.
हाँ?
217, no?
अरे व्हाट शुड आई ऐड टू 17 टू गेट 21? 17 में क्या ऐड करूं जो 21 मिलेगा मेरे को?
4. 4.
4। करेक्ट।
4/21 is the answer.
करेक्ट है?
नहीं, wrong है.
तो 4/11 क्या रॉन्ग है? क्या रॉन्ग है तेरे को? क्या रॉन्ग है?
करेक्ट है.
धीरान इधर ध्यान दे बेटा। ओके, इफ यू मेक 45 मिनट्स, इफ यू टेक 45 मिनट टू प्रिपेयर अ लंच फॉर अ फैमिली, कितना है?
45 minutes.
टू मेक अ लंच फ्रॉम, व्हाट इज द फ्रैक्शन ऑफ अ आवर डज इट टेक टू प्रिपेयर अ लंच, राइट? आवर में कितना होता है?
20. 60. Easy है. 24.
हाँ?
60 minutes.
एक मिनट, क्या हो गया धीरान? 24 क्या होता है?
बोला इधर. 3/4.
बेटा वो मेरे को नहीं चाहिए बेटा, आंसर नहीं चाहिए। आई डोंट नो आंसर, राइट?
Right?
जो मैं पूछ रहा हूं वो मेरे को बता, राइट धीरान? गिव मी द आंसर व्हाट एवर आई एम आस्किंग फॉर। नाउ 45 minutes is an hour, right? So what fraction of 45
No,
minutes in hour?
60 minutes is an hour.
हाँ, 60 मिनट। तो अब ये ठीक बोल रहा है, राइट? नाउ व्हाट यू कैन डिवाइड दिस बाय?
40.
है 14?
Tina table. 3.
3, very good. When you divide by 3, what you get? 15 and 20, correct?
Yes.
Then you divide by again
5.
5. So what do you get?
3 and 4.
Got it?
Yes.
ओके, सो स्लोली बताओ मेरे को डायरेक्ट आंसर नहीं चाहिए, राइट?
Sidunaf.
राइट, चलो नेक्स्ट। दो ही क्वेश्चन बाकी है, चलो नेक्स्ट। सिंधु प्रैक्टिसेस बैडमिंटन फॉर 8 hours इन अ डे, कितना है?
8 hours.
तो हमने अभी करा ना इसको डे का, राइट? मेसी का भी देखा, राइट? 8 hours in 24, so what you can divide with? Divide by 8 डिवाइड बाय 8. You get 1 upon,
One, two कहते हैं मेरे
correct?
Yes.
So it is reduction. Okay, next one.
And
In the bag, there are 3 20 पैसा coin. क्या है?
320 पैसा coin.
So ये क्या है? Stop. तो 20 into 3 कितना हो गया? 60 पैसा. कितना हो गया?
60 पैसा.
425 पैसा coin. 4 into 25 is equal to 100 पैसा is equal to 1 rupee. Correct है ना?
Yeah.
Okay. See, I am not reading ahead. I'm just stopping it here. I'm writing here, right? 6 10 paisa coin. 6 into 10 is equal to 60 paisa, right? And 5 paisa coin. 5 into 5 is equal to
100
25.
पैसा.
Right? Correct, na?
Yes.
What fraction of the coins are 25 paisa coins? Right? Now we have to check the total coins कितना है. क्या करना है? How many are total coins?
60 plus 100 plus 10
एक मिनट बेटा.
plus 60 plus
धीरान रुक
25.
जा. Stop.
बच्चे नहीं बोल
This is 20 paisa coin. This is 25 paisa coin. This is 10 paisa coin. And this is 5 paisa coin, right? How many 20 paisa coins are there? 3. How many 25 paisa coin are? 4. How many 10 paisa coin? 6. And how many 5 paisa coin? 5. What is the total number of coins? What did they ask? What fraction of a coins are 25 paisa coin, right? So total coins कितना हो गया? There total are 18 coins. कितने?
18.
And how many are 25 paisa coin?
4.
4. So what fraction of 25 paisa coin? 4 upon
મારું ફેસ દેખાય છે
18. कितना है?
और 4 दिखाई देता.
Right? And what is the lowest term? Now 2 upon 18 is not there. So what is the lowest term? 4 upon 18 is not there. Lowest term is 2 upon 9. Sorry, 2 upon 9. Sorry, not 18. Right? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Understood everyone?
Yes,
Very
sir.
good. चल ठीक है. Now we'll go to measurement and money. Right? Now can you solve on your own? Yes?
No.
Can you try solving on your own?
Yes.
Very good. चलो कौन who will solve?
Rubit.
Dhruvid, चल first वाला. Okay, I'll go one by one everyone. You don't have to speak in between anybody. Dhruvid will solve, but nobody. If it takes time, it is okay with me. Yeah.
The cost of a notebook is 25. What is the cost of 3 such as notebooks?
Such as किधर है? Such notebooks, right?
Such notebook.
हाँ, तो क्या?
25 plus 25 plus 25.
अच्छा वैसे करेगा? Repeat addition और same number क्या होता है?
सर मैं बोलूं?
नहीं.
सर 75
क्या किया तूने?
प्लस
25 plus 25 plus 25. सपोज मैं बोलता कि 7 नोटबुक का क्या होता तो क्या करता तू? 7 टाइम ऐड करता
नहीं
तो क्या करता?
5 का टेबल.
हाँ
5 का टेबल.
क्या करता?
3 7 का टेबल.
7 का टेबल के 25 का टेबल? You are buying multiple notebook, right?
Yes.
So you do 25 multiply by 7, right? 7 का टेबल है 25 का टेबल बोला है मतलब दोनों सेम ही है बट यू कैनॉट ऐड 7 बिकॉज 7 आर द नोटबुक, राइट? चलो
Yeah.
पक्ष 6 वाला कर.
One ball cost
ऐसा नहीं
50 rupees. How many maximum bags Riva can buy?
रीवा है. रीवा है.
Ravi.
रवि, हाँ रवि है.
Ravi can buy for 140.
वेरी गुड। रवि का कितना पैसा है? रवि हैज 140 rupees, right? He wants to buy a ball, right? Ball cost what?
50.
तो एक बॉल बाय करेगा वो, हाउ
हाँ,
मच इज रिमेनिंग? 90 rupees।
rupees.
और एक बॉल बाय करेगा, बचा कितना? करेक्ट। और एक बॉल बाय करेगा, करेगा बाय?
0.
अरे नहीं बाय कर सकते, कौन बॉल देगा तेरे को? 40 रुपीज या 50 रुपीज का बॉल कौन देगा तेरे को? हाँ?
2.
बक्स,
Sir, 2.
कैन यू बाय थर्ड बॉल?
No.
नो, बिकॉज यू डोंट हैव इनफ मनी, राइट?
Yes.
So you can buy only 2 balls, correct?
Hmm.
Very good. चलो नेक्स्ट,
चल,
लनिक्षा।
Yes, sir.
Yes.
How many 20 rupees notes you need to make rupees 140?
Very good.
Or 20.
What is Ayan? How
How
many
many?
20 rupees
सर
notes?
आपका स्क्रीन बड़ा करो
ये बड़ा तो है, और कितना? तू लैपटॉप पे है कि मोबाइल पे है?
और थोड़ा बड़ा करो लैपटॉप
तो लैपटॉप पे इतना क्या, इतना तो बड़ा है बेटा, मेरे को दिख रहा है।
7 बस
हाँ, ठीक है। So
सर
what you need to do
7
is, yes, so what you need to do, 20 multiplied by something will be 140, correct?
यस
So what you do, box will be 140 divided by 20. So 0, 0 again, cut. Whenever you want to divide by 0, it is very, very easy. Now 7, this you know, right? It is 7. 2 ones are 2 and 7 sevens are, right? So it is 7. Yeah, so you can do 20 plus 20 plus 20 till you get 140, which is also okay, right? Now how many 50 paisa coin will you make 2 rupees? Very good. Same, exactly the same. So yeah, 50 plus 50
सर
plus 50
कैन
plus
आई
50
डू
is equal to 200. Correct? 2 rupees
या
is 200 paisa. Yes?
4
Yeah, tell me, beta. Tell me. Hello? Who is saying,
या
sir? Tell me, what do you want?
नथिंग
Okay. ठीक है। चलो धीरान, धीरान,
यस
माइक क्यों बंद रख रहा है तेरा?
चालू है
माइक बंद नहीं करने का बेटा। रीड कर नेक्स्ट
Rupees
क्वेश्चन।
paid rupees 10 note for a pen got that
अरे कहाँ पे मेरा 9th वाला क्वेश्चन है, अपन कहाँ है तू?
1 rupees 5 can be changed for dash 1 rupee coins 5 1 rupee coins
वेरी गुड, करेक्ट, बिकॉज 1 5 जा 5 1 जा
5
5 and 1 5 जा also 5, right?
नहीं 1 5 का 50 आता है
1 5 जा 50 होएगा? हाँ
हाँ
हाँ धीरान,
1
1 5 जा
5
हाँ 1 5 जा 50 होता है?
नहीं 5 वाला 5 होता है
1 5 जा पूछ रहा हूँ मैं,
वो भी 5 होता है
तो 50 क्यों बोला?
10 पूछा ना
नहीं, 10 बोला ही नहीं मैंने।
10 पूछा
नहीं, ठीक है, चलो ओके। रीड धीरान, अरे सॉरी ध्रुवित।
मेरे को और एक सम करना है
आएगा आएगा बेटा, आएगा, बहुत नंबर है, बहुत नंबर है, आएगा, सबको एक एक दे रहा हूँ बेटा, डोंट
असीम
वरी।
असीम पेड 10
असीम नहीं है, अस्मी है।
ओके
अस्मी,
Asmi paid 10 rupees note for a pen and got back 2.5. How much did the pen cost?
वेरी गुड,
Se- 7/50.
750, करेक्ट,
7.50.
7
7
7
7 note 10.
नेक्स्ट, ओके,
7 पैसे.
एक मिनट, पक्ष, पक्ष नेक्स्ट।
You have 48 coins of 50 pieces. Each
50 pieces है, 50 pieces है.
नहीं पैसा.
हाँ, each, right?
If you have to exchange the amount you have for 2 rupees coins, how many 2 rupee coins and coins you
Would get.
worked
Right.
with?
चलो, I'll give you simple example, right? I give you 100 rupees, right?
Yes.
I give you one note for 100 rupees, right?
Mm,
And I want 20 rupees का coin. तो कितना coin मेरे को देगा तुम?
50.
हाँ?
15.
कितना कितना?
15.
15 coin देगा तू? हाँ, ओके. गणेश का?
4, 6, 7.
गणेश का?
Yes, sir.
If I give you 100 rupees, one note, right?
Yes.
And I want in exchange, I want 20 rupees का coin. So how many coins you'll get? Give me.
Sir, 100.
100 coins देगा?
नहीं
हाँ?
नहीं 100 कौन सी दूंगा.
या गणेश का, tell me.
Sir, can you repeat the question?
I give you 100 rupees, right?
Yeah.
I want coin of 20 rupees. 20 rupees coin I want, right?
Okay.
Okay.
80 rupees I'll get back.
I want 20 rupees. So how many coins you will give me? कोई बीच में नहीं बोलेगा. Nobody will speak. Everybody listen carefully. What my question is? So
How many 10 rupees coins?
120 rupees coin है वो बेटा. Read कर पहले. Listen कर. Listen बेटा पहले. ध्यान. या गणेश का, how many 20 rupees coin will get?
5.
How do you do it?
20 plus
You will
20.
keep on giving me. You will keep on giving me 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus 20
Multiplication.
till you become very good. Till you become 100, right?
Sir, can I Yes. go to washroom?
Yes, beta. ठीक है? Yes. Till you become.
Division.
So it is 20 multiplied by something should give you 100, right?
Yes.
Similarly, what?
10 multiplied by 10 equal to 1.
बेटा अभी यहाँ पे ध्यान दो. अभी मैंने पूछा नहीं, उससे डिग्रेस मत करो. You have 48 coins of 50 paisa, right? So how much money I have? I have 48 coins of 50 paisa each, correct?
Yes.
Now I am giving this money. In exchange, I want 2 rupees. So 2 rupees ka, how much money I will get, right? How much
6
coins I will get,
rupees.
right? शांति रखो बेटा. धीरान आंसर नहीं चाहिए. धीरान तेरा नंबर नहीं है अभी, right? It is not your number. And I don't want vague answers, correct? I don't want any vague answers. Clear? Dhiran, understood? Dhiran?
Yes.
Now here what you have? Here you have paisa and here are rupees. So ये workout नहीं करेगा. So how do you to change the equation? 48 multiplied by 50 is equal to 2 into 100 into box. Correct? Clear?
Yeah. Yeah.
Now if you remember, can you do this? 48 multiplied by 50. Can you do very easily? Yes or no? Simple. No,
Yeah.
right? It can be so easy, right? But what I
Yeah.
taught you, halving and doubling. बोला था मैंने?
Halving and doubling.
48 divided by 2 will be 24.
Halving and doubling.
and 15 into 2 will be 100. Now can you multiply this easily?
Yes.
Very good. So now what you do? 24 into 100. This is the same thing as this. And I want a 2 rupee coin. So I get 2 rupee coin like this. So how many coins I'll get? 0, 0, 0, 0 will get cut. 100 will get. And this is 12 coins you'll get. Correct? Eh?
Yes.
Understood? Because I'm taking an exchange here. That means value of this and value of this should be equal. Correct, na?
Yes.
Very good. Or you can do is 48 rupees you have 24 rupees. So what you can do is you can 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 till you get 24. Right? Till you keep
Yeah.
multiplying them. Correct? Keep on adding
Yes.
them. Okay. Next. Dhiran. Dhiran.
Yes.
चलो नेक्स्ट वाला. Tell me, Dhiran.
What?
Read it, beta. Dhiran, read the question.
Sir, घनिष्ठा
चल
चांद
घनिष्ठा का हो गया बेटा. तेरा नंबर है.
मेरा नहीं
श्रद्धा
है
नहीं आता तो बोलना सर ये क्या लिखा है. आई विल हेल्प यू ना, डोंट वरी.
शारदा बहुत
श्रद्धा इज अ नेम सम राइट. धीरान तेरा कैसा नाम है? हिरेन मेरा नाम है. घनिष्ठ का. ऑल दीज आर डिफरेंट नेम्स राइट.
How about 8 sandwiches?
व्हाट 8 है ये?
8 अरे
8 है
अंतिका
ये.
अंतिका
वहां क्यों गया? वहां क्या गया? यहाँ क्यों जाना है? पहले ये पढ़ा क्या?
शारदा bought 6 sandwich.
अजिंक्य
Ajikia bought 8 sandwich. 8
8
cake.
केक्स. तो क्या हो गया?
They
श्रद्धा
did
लिसन लिसन. श्रद्धा
the
बॉट
each
सैंडविचेस. एक मिनट धीरे धीरे. जितना लिखा है ना, जितना पढ़ा वो लिख लो, आगे पढ़ो मत. राइट. डोंट गो अहेड अंटिल यू अंडरस्टैंड. करेक्ट है ना धीरान? देन अजिंक्य बॉट केक्स. कितना केक लिया? करेक्ट. क्या हो गया? दे ईच पेड द सेम अमाउंट. किसे दिया?
each paid the same amount.
संध्या, श्रद्धा और अजिंक्य ने सेम अमाउंट पे किया. कितना?
Same amount.
करेक्ट. मेरे को नहीं मालूम यहाँ पे कितना है. राइट. आई डोंट नो हाउ मच इज दैट. राइट. बिकॉज दे आर नॉट गिवन. राइट.
काही वही घेऊन बसली
And the same amount and together they paid 48.
याला म्हणतात का घेऊन बसली?
श्रद्धा ने प्लस अजिंक्य ने how much they given?
48.
48. तो इस पे can you tell me how much श्रद्धा must have given, how much अजिंक्य must have given? Can you tell me? Both have paid the equal amount. One minute, I am coming. Bring the water.
छान होती. हे परत त्या लक्ष देणं असं.
सरस नाही आहे. सर गेले.
हे काय शिकवलंच नाही.
आता मला नाही माहित.
मग काय 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 पाहून आला तू?
सरच नाही आता तू देख.
काय बरोबर.
Hey! Shraddha bought sandwich. Hey!
They each paid the same amount and together paid 48.
Hey!
सेम म्हटल्यानंतर 48 चे इक्वल करायचे. इक्वल करायचे बघ. करेक्ट. सपोज यू वांट अ सैंडविच
Yeah.
फ्रॉम देयर.
तो क्या होगा? हेलो. How much संध्या and अजिंक्य each paid? They both paid 48 rupees together, right? एक जने कितना पे किया? हाँ.
9.
अरे 9 कैसे होगा? दोनों इक्वल पे कर रहे हैं.
46.
Suppose I have a 10 chocolates. I am giving equally chocolate to you
Sir,
and
24.
huh?
24.
Very good. Now it is correct. 24, right?
Yes.
Right. Because it is divided by 2, 24 rupees, right?
Yes.
So each will get. Now in Sandhya got 24 rupees mein she got 6 sandwiches, and here 24 rupees mein he got 2 cakes, right?
Yes.
Or 8 cakes, right? Suppose you want a sandwich and a cake from them, right? So what is the cost of one sandwich? If you pay 24 rupees, you get 6 sandwich. एक sandwich का price क्या है? One sandwich will be 4 rupee, right?
Yes.
And one cake will be 24 divided by 8 will be 3 rupees, right?
3 rupees. Yes.
4 plus 3 will be 7 rupees, correct?
Yes.
हो गया? Is it clear, everyone? Is it clear?
Yes.
Dhiran, Paksh, Kanishka, Dhruv,
Yes.
all are
Yes,
clear? All are clear?
yes.
Now, what I am doing, listen very carefully. Listen my style. See my style. I say there are 6 sandwiches. So I am writing Shraddha, 6 sandwiches. I say Ajinkya bought 8 cakes. So I am writing. Correct? They each paid the same amount. So Ajinkya is equal to Shraddha. They both together, that is A plus S is equal to 48. Correct? So each one paid 24 is equal to 24. Correct? 48 divided by 12. Correct?
Yes.
So each paid 24 rupees, 24 rupees. Now because in 24 rupees you got 6 sandwiches. So one sandwich का price क्या होगा? One sandwich will be rupees and one cake will be 24 divided by 8 will be 3. Correct na?
Yes.
And then I want that one sandwich and 2 cakes. Now they can ask, okay, I'll buy 2 cakes and 3 sandwiches, right? So 2 cakes will be 2 into 3, 6 rupees. And 3 sandwiches, 3 into 4 will be
Yes.
12 rupees. So it will like a total 18 rupees, right? So this can change anytime, but if you remember the method, if you know the method, if you know the concept, you will be able to solve anything, right? Is it clear? Everybody clear?
Yes.
I want yes from everyone.
Yes.
Very nice. Chalo. Who is going to say? Ganishka, read beta. Paksh आ गया क्या? One minute. Paksh.
Rahul's father gives him
Ganishka, wait.
50 paisa.
Ganishka, wait.
Rahul,
Ganishka, wait. पक्ष का टर्न है पक्ष बोल
Rahul's father gave him 50 paisa coins. Paisa every day, and his mother gave him
एक मिनट क्या है एक मिनट बेटा ये क्या लिखा है व्हाट इज रिटन हियर
and
क्या लिखा है फादर
father gave him 50 paisa every day, and his mother.
एक मिनट तो पहले लिख लो ना बेटा अरे 50 पैसा डेली देता है राइट एवरी डे इज डेली राइट तो फादर गिव 50 रुपीज किसको राहुल को किसको
Rahul.
अब मैंने क्या किया आई डिड आई रीड एनीथिंग अहेड मैं आगे एम आई रीडिंग इट फर्दर
No.
Yes. So whatever you further, you don't write anything unless you recommend this, right?
Yes.
And if you have to put in mind, or you can write. Writing is always better, right? His mother, the mother आ गई, gives him 25 पैसा every day.
25 paisa every day.
ठीक है? Correct? So how much he'll get every day? Total कितना मिलेगा? How much he'll get total?
75.
Right. 75 पैसा
75 paisa every day.
Every day, very good. That is important. 75 paisa every day, right?
Sir,
Huh?
Pizza RF 5 and 75 paisa.
7 rupees 50 paisa. झालं एव्हरी डे त्याला
Okay. So what is your days? This is 75 paisa every day. Correct? Eh?
Yes.
Very good. Then read further. In 10 days, Rahul will have how much money?
Rahul will Rahul have how much money?
In 10 days, right? 10 days is every day you get this, right? So 10 days will be multiplied by 10.
Yes.
How much will be that? 750 paisa, right?
Yes.
Which is what? 7 rupee and 50 paisa, correct? Is it clear or no?
Yes, sir.
पहिले प्लस
Sir.
केलं मल्टिप्लाय केलं
Anybody not understanding? Ask me. Ganishka, your turn.
Anita has 30 coins in her purse as follows: 5 coins of 50 paisa.
This still you are not listening. Beta, Ganishka, what is this? Anita has
30 coins in her purse.
so 30 coins, right? Anita, you have to write na. Break the information, then only you learn. 5 coins of
50 paisa.
plus 7 coins of
25 paisa. And an
full
equal
number
number
of 20 and 10
20
paisa.
paisa and
You
10
don't know how
paisa.
much is there, right? So you got how much? 12? 12 coins already gone, right?
Yeah,
So this is 12 coins. What is the remaining coin?
18.
And they are equally distributed between 10 and 20 paisa. So 9 into 20 paisa plus 9 into 10 paisa, correct?
Yeah.
So this has become 30 coins, yes or no?
Yes.
But if you do this, write this, then if you read the whole question, you will not understand what you need to do. Correct, na?
Yes.
You got it? So what I read? Anita has 30 coins. So I written 30 coins here.
Yeah.
She has 5 coins of 50 paisa. So I written 5 into 50.
Yeah.
Then she has 7 coins of 25 paisa. So I've written 7 into 25.
Yeah.
Now equal number of coins, equal number of 20 and 50, 10 rupee coin, right? So basically this 12 coins has gone already for 50 and 25. Yes. So what is the remaining
Yes.
coin? Remaining coin is 18, right? And
Yes.
20 and 10 paisa have an equal count. So that is 9 coins of 20 and 9 coins of 10, correct? 18 divided by 2. Clear?
Yes.
How much money she have in her purse, right? Now you have to multiply, correct na? So
Yes.
5 into 50 will be 250.
Yeah.
25 to 7 will be 170. 25 is very easy. That's why I also told you, right? 25 is very easy. 25, 50, 75, 100, right? So you keep on 0, 0 here. You have 75, here 75, here 50, here 50, then 25, 25, right? Nothing doing. Just do this. One ayah, 1, 1, 1, and then 2. Then you write 2, 2, 2,
3.
and correct? It is very easy
Yes.
for 25 ka table, right? So how many times? 7 times. These 4 are gone. 1, 2, 3, 7, 175, right? I written this, right?
Yeah.
Then 20 into 9 is very easy. 9 to the 18 and 1 0, correct?
Yeah.
Then you have 9 into 10 will be 90. Can you add this all? Yes or no?
Yes.
Very good. Add करो. It will be 5.
It will be 5 and the other one will be 5.
7, 8, 9. I told you, right? It is sequence. 7, 8, 9 is sequence. So 8 is a 24. 24 plus 1 carryover. We don't have any carryover, right? 24 plus 5 will be 29. And you 2
5.
carry over. So 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1. It is 6, 95. क्या है?
695.
Clear?
Yes.
Even if you don't find the 6, there is only 95, the one number only, right? There is no 95 there. So when you find 2 only, you don't have to find the total also. Correct?
Yes.
चलो. Next. धीरान. अरे धीरान नहीं, ध्रुवित.
Hmm. Oh man, a man, you, a man
Ans.
earns
Ans,
a
Ans, Ian नहीं,
75.
Ans is vaguely earning. They are getting money
Yes.
for the work. That is called as earning, right?
Oh, 75 per day for each day from Monday to Saturday. Which of the following can be his weekly earnings? Weekly. So weekly means 75 plus 75 or 75.
तूने पहले तो रीड ही नहीं किया ना. यू हैव नॉट रेड इन द फैशन आई वांटेड, राइट? फुल क्वेश्चन यू शुड नेवर रीड, राइट? व्हाट इज गिवन? अ मैन अर्न्स 75 पर डे. तो क्या लिखना है? 75 plus 75 plus 75 plus it will keep on going, right? Every day, how many hours, how many days it will work, you will get 75, right?
Yes.
Did I read anything further?
No.
बराबर है ना? ठीक है.
It
One each
will
day
be in 5
from
stable
Monday to
and
Saturday. Monday to Saturday, how many days are there?
6.
6 days. तो क्या हो गया? 75 into 6, correct?
Yes, in 6 tables
Again we'll do the
75.
doubling and halving. Doubling and halving करो, इसको डबल करो. What do you get?
75 plus 75.
150 into 3. कितना आ गया? 450 रुपीज आ गया. Yes?
Yes.
Very good. Which of the following can be the weekly earning? Weekly is 1 week. 1 week is how? Weekly is what? Daily is what? See here, बोले ना daily, right? Weekly is 7 days, right?
Yes.
450 rupees because he works on Monday to Saturday. Sunday off है, right?
Yes.
So weekly earning will be 450 rupees. यहाँ पे कोई ऑप्शन दिया नहीं गया है, right? ऑल द न्यू बुक है, फिर भी गायब है यहाँ से ऑप्शन, right?
Yes.
ठीक है. So answer, you don't have to find the answer. You got the answer 450. That is his weekly salary, weekly income, right?
Yes.
चलो. Next,
मी
पक्ष.
सांगितलं होतं बरोबर होतं.
पक्ष.
मग सरांनी सांगितलं तरी सांगितलं
22.
एक मिनट.
नक्की?
किसको? एक मिनट. किसकी मम्मी बोल रही है बेटा ये? किसकी मम्मी बोल रही है बेटा? टेल मी, किसकी मम्मी बोल रही है? ध्रुवित?
No, not mine. My mom gone to clinic.
Very good. Then whose mom was speaking? धीरान?
Yes.
तुम्हारी मम्मी बोल रही थी?
मेरी मम्मी तो है भी नहीं इधर.
हैं?
मैं तो नानी हाउस हूँ, मम्मी तो घर पे है.
अरे तो बाजू में, मेरे बाजू है. वापस नानी हाउस आया तो फोन नहीं किया मेरे को.
अरे बाजू में नहीं आया हूँ.
बाजू है नानी हाउस, तो बाजू में रहती है मेरे.
नया घर लिया घाटकोपर में.
हैं?
नया घर लिया घाटकोपर में.
किसने? नानी ने घाटकोपर में घर ले लिया?
हाँ.
हाँ?
हाँ.
अच्छा. वेरी गुड. वेरी नाइस. ओके. चलो. या टेल मी. ओके.
और मैन
मैन हो गया वो नीचे. धीरान. नेक्स्ट. धीरान ने पक्ष.
which has 112 rupees
112
and
है वो, 112 है वो.
112.
Very good. Either you tell 112 or you take 112.
Okay.
समझ में? Either you say
And
112 or you take
Ajay
112.
101 rupees. How much should Vijay give Ajay so that both have equal amount with him?
Yeah. So what is the answer? पहली बात तो गलत तरीके से रेट किया. क्या किया? वापस रेट कर.
Vijay
रेट
has
कर.
Vijay has 112 rupees and Ajay has 101 rupees.
बस बस बस. क्या है? एक मिनट, इधर क्या है?
Full stop.
वेरी गुड. तो ऊपर क्या लिखने का, उसको रोकने का, राइट?
Hmm.
विजय एंड अजय, राइट?
Yes.
है ना? करेक्ट. विजय के पास कितना है? 112. करेक्ट.
Yes.
And Ajay has 101. Correct?
Hmm.
How much should Vijay give to Ajay so they may have equal amount, right?
Yes.
आएगा आंसर? Will you get the answer? It's the wrong question. क्या है?
Share of man selling.
Wrong question. Because it is even number and it is odd number, right? If whatever I give it to him, it will be always one odd and one even, correct? Unless I give a 50 paisa, right?
Sir,
Yes?
sir, it can be you are telling that it is wrong question. How it is wrong question? The answer can come no 5.
बता. चलो. Very
Sir,
good.
if there
कर.
is 112 and he has 101, and if I give him 5 rupees, then we both will have
Who are you? एक मिनट, who are
106
you?
and 106.
एक मिनट, who are you?
Dhruvit, I'm
So you are Vijay or you are Ajay? You are Ajay or you are Vijay, right?
yes,
Okay. I am Ajay.
yes,
Yes. So Vijay is how much? 112 rupees.
yes,
And how much money it gives to Ajay? According to you, 5 rupees, right?
yes,
तो विजय के पास 5 रुपीज कम हो जाएगा.
yes, then it will be 6.
6 हो जाएगा बेटा. 6 हो जाएगा. 112 माइनस 5 6 होता है.
Joshua.
हैं?
पासवर्ड भी क्या खबर है?
गिरा. ध्रुवित.
अच्छे पासवर्ड 12 by 12 minus
12 minus 5 is how much?
12 minus 5 7.
And he is 101, right? He get 5 rupees, right? कितना हो गया?
106 and
Are they equal?
No.
One odd is even है. Unless you 5.5 और 5.5 करेगा तो ही बराबर आएगा. 105.5 106.5, right? But that fraction is not there only. Decimal यहाँ पे है ही नहीं, right?
Yes.
Correct. So now will you able to solve all these questions on your own? What you need to do? Everybody has to practice. Everybody has to practice.
Sure.
Dhiran, wait. What you need to do is everybody needs to practice reading the question in part and solving them in part. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Don't read the whole question, right? Measurement also we have done
Yes, sir.
multiple times. So if you have any doubt, Dhiran, this is your send me the doubts. If you have any doubt, so I have taken a fraction and I have taken a money today, correct?
Take length also, no.
बेटा तो जब तेरा डाउट आएगा तो डाउट सॉल्व करो और मेरे को बता. आई विल नॉट टेक द होल वन. टेल मी द डाउट वॉट एवर यू आर नॉट सॉल्विंग. Wait, beta. Dhiran, now you solve all the chapters and send me the doubts. Session apna chapter wise, okay? If you don't send me the doubts, I will not solve in the class. I will directly solve the papers then. Okay? Chalo,
Yeah.
Ganishka, you also solve and send me the doubts. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Bye.